So this soursop tree has been fruiting for 3 years now, and suddenly it stopped fruiting and started shedding leaf. And some people come and say, no, this thing is dying. I said, no, it's not dying. It just needs a lot of pampering. And the only way you can do it is to put the 8 essential ingredients for it to revitalize. If you look down, you can see the shaded leaves. It's not encouraging, but that's how it happens most of the time. So when it happens like this, you don't give up or cut it down. You revitalize it by giving the 8 essential ingredients to it for it to renew itself and start to fruit again. 2-3 months ago, you will not believe that this is the soursop that was dying. But when I noticed that it was dying, it was shedding leaf rather, I started to treat it. You can see on the ground here. You can see on the ground. Shaded leaf. It's still shedding leaf, but it's renewing. It's renewing itself. It's renewing. You can see the shaded leaf. So many. So if you don't give up on it like that, you have to do something. And 3 months ago, I built this concrete for it. Although it should have been wider than this, but this is still good enough. And I made this place a compost heap. I dump all my kitchen remnants here. As you can see, for 3 months I've been doing that, and it started rejuvenating. It started growing well again. You can see how fresh the leaf is coming up. So you don't stop, and you don't cut soursop tree because it's shedding leaf, or you think it's dying. You see the leaves getting dry and falling off. Yeah, so this is what you do. Just build something like this around it. I mean, the concrete. Build it around it and continue putting kitchen remnants here. Make it a compost heap. A compost heap. And the tree will rejuvenate. The tree will eat it for quite some time, not just a short while. It might take 2 months, it might take 3 months, but obviously you will see that it will respond and start bearing fruit again. You can see what I have here right now. Fresh leaves. It's still flowering, even as it's struggling to survive. It's still flowering, but it's not bearing fruit immediately. The flowers are still falling off, but when you continue to treat it, like once in a week, you fill up this concrete. You fill it up with water, and allow the manure or the kitchen remnants to get rotten, to decompose, for it to absorb it. In a short while now, it will start bearing fruit. But you can see it's having flowers already. In as much as the flowers, for now, they are not turning to fruits, but it's making flowers. So that is it. If you have not subscribed to my channel before now, please subscribe, because I will upload the minute details of how you can take care of a soursop tree and make it bear fruit for you. Thank you for watching.